Hello everybody. Today I would like to unbox Apple Watch Ultra 2. This is the latest version which has the hands gesture Series 9, and let's go ahead and open Apple Watch Ultra. 49 mm is the thickness. It comes with a scenic mountain booklet, and there is different colors. There is one strap like this, this one, and it has a nice booklet, okay, and some paperwork. Let's keep this aside for a while. Now this is the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and this one is this band, and I bought this color. Let's keep it aside for a while. Again comes a very scenic mountain. This watch is for rugged mountaineering options, but yeah, that's the capability of this watch. Gives the directions, all those sorts of things. Now this one is the pretty wide package from package perspective. Let's go ahead and open the strap first. There you go. Wow. Let's open this. Paperwork. This is a loop design, pretty much weightless. It's made of nylon. Let's keep this aside. Now let's go ahead and open this. There you go. This one, what is this? Okay, this one is the charger. It comes with it's the same charger, USB-C now. And this one is the star of the show, titanium. Orange button, action button, dial with orange, titanium. It's around 60 grams, that's what the specification is. Let's try to switch on. There we go. This is the Ultra 2 latest version. And this is the Apple logo design. It takes a while to start. And we got a setup. So this is so far the unboxing. We will go through the setup, and after that we'll come back with a initial review. Thank you for watching my video. I will come up with the features in the next one. Until then, stay safe and keep watching our video. Thank you.